Hey guys, Sparksaman here, and today I would like to show this wallet with you. A company called Duvall Leatherwork contacted me via YouTube and asked me if I'm willing to do a collaboration review, and I pretty much willingly said yes after I checked their website. They seem to be pretty genuine, and their rep is really nice enough to ask me to pick whatever product I want, and of course I just gotta pick a wallet. So this wallet here is actually retails for about $95, and there's a reason for that, because it's actually handmade from a high quality product. Instead of using a cowhide skin, which normally most company would use for their leather products, they're using goat skin. Also, they source the product from the UK, if I'm not mistakenly, based on what I read from their website. And Duvall Leatherwork is based from Pennsylvania. They do offer a wide range of leather products, ranging from different types of wallets, belts, handbags, and so forth. And if I'm not mistakenly, they also do offer some sort of repair service for leather products. For example, handbags. If something's broken, you can go to the repair center and they'll be happy to help you out. So going back to this wallet, I talked to the rep and they said it's made of goat skin. However, when I look at their website, it seems like it's made of two types of skin. Goat skin is one of them, and also a bison skin. So I couldn't really get a clarification of that. But either way, the quality of the wallet is pretty good. It doesn't feel cheap. Some people might not like the color in terms of like this kind of shade of brown. However, for leather like this, they tend to change color actually as time goes by, as you normally use it for day-to-day basis. For example, I have a wallet here. It is a fossil wallet, and it's a cowhide, and now the color is actually pretty dark compared to the first time I've used it. So secondly, I like the way the stitching in this wallet, it's more pronounced, more bold, I'd say. You can see that they're using a little bit heavier type of stitches compared to my other wallet here that I got from Fossil, as you can see there. So the stitching is not as like thick or pronounced on this wallet compared to this wallet here from Duvall. This is actually their Bi-Fold product. It's about $95, which people might say a little bit pricey, and I'm on the same boat. However, it is a handmade product, and usually handmade leather products are expensive, and you probably heard of different brands called Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, and even Coach. And then when they make their leather products, it tends to be a little bit in a higher price, right? Because they're known brands. I think that's what Duvall Leatherwork's trying to achieve, is to try to have that nice status quo that, hey, we make leather products based from high quality products from the UK, and here's the result. And also, this is made from the USA. It's not made from China, which I have a feeling this one here that I got from Fossil is more than likely made from China. So it's just a difference in terms of like, where do you want your product is coming from. And if I could buy a product locally, I would definitely go that route, as long as the price is affordable. Going on through the features of the wallet, it's pretty standard for a Bi-Fold wallet, and this is where basically you put your money, and that's the company's card. They even have their information here, and there you go. They're from Kingston, Pennsylvania. Also their number, and like what I mentioned before, they do offer some sort of service, and it's handcrafted. It's the reason why the price is a lot more pricey compared to a wallet like this from Fossil, which I believe I got this for about $50. So you're paying almost twice as much, but again, you're getting like a great quality, better piece of accessory. So yeah, you can put a few cards here. So basically 1, 2, so pretty much 2, but I'm one of those guys. I'm pretty much guilty in terms of stuffing as much cards as I can in these slots. I normally, for this part here, I would put my ID, so for my work, so that I don't have to like fumble around. All I gotta do is just show my wallet, open it, and there's my ID. You can also put 2 of them, and also another 2 of them, and you get like some sort of like secret pockets for this one here, and as well as this one. So the only thing I'm not really happy with this wallet is this part here, this flap. I'm not really used to opening my wallet this way, and normally my other Fossil wallet, it opens up like this. So you can see the difference. This one here opens up this way vertically, but my other wallet here opens up horizontally. So I'm just not a big fan of that one. I'm not sure why they decided to go that route, but I guess they probably thought it's actually a good idea to go that way. And also, I like the color of the inside of the wallet. That's one thing I want to discuss. It just looks really nice. It's very slick, manly, and something about it. And I was hoping that they didn't bother, you know, like changing the design overall in terms of like the leather pattern. They could have used this leather pattern here for the outside as well, and that would give it, I'd say, more of like a nice uniform look. But then again, I guess the person who made this wallet thought maybe it looks good this way. I mean, I still like it. It still looks good. I'm just not quite sure about the color. It's a little bit kind of in a different shade of brown. But if they decided to just go for this color here, like the inside part, it would have been really great. Other than that, as what I mentioned before, the wallet does feel solid. It does not feel cheap at all. So for 95 bucks, you're basically getting a nice, you know, quality of leather work from Pennsylvania, and it's an American made. And what a way to go to, you know, like to support your local company by buying, you know, locally made product. So, and what I'm going to do too is later is I'm going to transfer all of my wallet contents to this wallet. Hopefully it fits, but then again, I just have a lot of junk in my wallet, and I try to keep it as much as thinner as possible. But this, I find it lately, it's just too impossible, especially if I buy something and I wanted to keep the receipt. I normally tend to stuff it in my wallet for the reason being just in case I need to return the item, I knew where to find the receipt. And that's the reason why my wallet is just too big. So I'll try to do that, and we'll see where to go from there. Just stand by. There you have it, guys. So I tried to stuff as much as I can in terms of like cards and things like that inside this wallet from Duvall Leatherwork, and it's still brand new, so the leather is still quite stiff. It's still pretty hard, and normally that's what I experienced when I had this wallet from Fossil the first time I bought it. As you can see, it's pretty worn out. I had this for about at least, I'd say, 2 years, give and take. As you can see, I still have lots of cards that I haven't managed to stuff inside this wallet. I'm pretty sure I can double, kind of like, you know, stack some cards in one slot, but it's still pretty stiff. If I'm gonna use this wallet, I'm gonna have to like get in that process of broken in the leather, and basically becomes, you know, a lot softer and much manageable, and allows me to insert more cards in these slots. I noticed the slot for the cards for this wallet is not a lot. You basically get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can probably stuff some cards here in your secret pocket, which I don't normally do, by the way. Maybe this card is trying to teach us to be some sort of minimalist, because at the end of the day, you want your wallet to be, you know, thinner, not too thick. It just makes it much more presentable. That way the wallet lasts longer. As you can see, that's what happened. The issue that I have with this wallet is I stuffed too much things in it, and it's starting to fall apart at this section here. And no doubt for sure over time this is what's going to happen with this wallet. So I'm not sure why companies that makes leather products couldn't somewhat do something about this part of the wallet, because I notice all my wallets always tend to give up around this part here. And I have no doubts that this wallet will be different either as time goes by. It's just the way it is, you know, it's a normal wear and tear process. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you like my quick review of Duvall Leatherwork wallet. It is their Bi-Fold Deluxe wallet. So if you have any questions or you're curious about this product, please let me know. Just send me a quick message on YouTube. I'll be more than happy to reply. Also, I put a link in the description box for this company. If you are curious to see what kind of products they have in their website, I highly encourage to, you know, check them out, especially if you're a person who's interested with handcrafted product and it's a product that's made in America or American made. You know, some people just wants to buy a product that's locally sourced or locally made, and just to be proud of, you know, local companies, right? So there you have it, guys, and if you don't mind, I would appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.